Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the number row missing on iPhone's keyboard. So guys, if it is missing on your iPhone's keyboard, here I will show you how can you get it. So guys, as you can see this, there is no keyboard number row on my iPhone's keyboard. Here I will show you how can you get it. So guys, the first way is that simply tap on this number button and you can get the row. And the second way is that you have to simply go back and now you have to simply open your App Store and search here for keyboard or Swift keyboard or Swift key. So guys, simply search for Swift keyboard, and after this you have to simply download and install Microsoft Swift key AI keyboard. After this, open it and now tap on get started and sign in with the Microsoft. So guys, simply tap on not now and then tap on sure and then tap on allow and then tap on yes and agree to the keyboard settings, and then enable Swift keyboard. From here simply tap on go to settings, or you have to go to settings from here, and from here you have to simply go to Microsoft keyboard and turn on Swift key, allow full access, tap on allow and then go back and open your keyboard again, and here you have to simply go back again tap on Swift key and give full access again. Once it is done, simply go back again and open the settings, and here you can see there is a keyboard in a new form. You have to simply tap on settings again to get the number row. Tap on these settings and then tap on settings, tap on next, save this information, and from here tap on settings and now turn on the number row from here and go back and now open the keyboard again, and here you can see this, the keyboard is right now there with the number buttons. So as you can see this, in this way you can also get the number row on your iPhone's keyboard. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.